With all of the roof panels now installed, it's time to fit the roof trims or eaves boards around the entire perimeter of the roof. To do so, I'm going to start on the two shorter sides using the supplied trims to cap it off. The first step, once I've identified the correct part for the short side of the roof, will be to mark the center point on the board with a pencil. With the center point now marked, I'm going to drill a pilot hole near the top of the trim. With my hole drilled, I'm now going to get on the ladder and position this dead center on top of the roof, flush with the top of the roof boards. With the roof trim now in the correct place, I'm going to send 2 more screws into each end to secure it properly into position. I've already sent 2 screws through the other side. I'm now going to do this side. With the very end roof trim in place, I can now start to think about cutting the trims to the correct size at the correct angle to match the pitch of the roof. To do this, I'm going to eye line down the angle here using a handsaw, offering it up flat against the edge of this roof board, using that as a guide for my cut on this roof trim. With the first trim installed and cut to the right size and angle, I then replicated the same steps to install the adjoining one on the other side, leaving a sufficient overlap on the corner, allowing me to follow the same principle to cut the correct angle at the end. With both trims now cut to the correct size and angle, you're left with a very nice, neat looking finish on the corner. To continue, you follow the same steps with the same principles around all 4 sides of the building.